This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac ATS. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, heated seats, chrome wheels, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.